What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Anthony here from the Wall Street Bull and Earn Curve. Hope you're all doing well. Sorry about no updates. I've been extremely busy during the week. We have a total crypto market cap of $2.47 trillion. It is still significantly down. Also, significant outflows for the last, 2 weeks from the Ethereum and Bitcoin exchange traded funds, as you can see right here. Billions of dollars flowing out. Bitcoin is currently down to 73,438 US dollars. Ethereum sitting at 2012. XRP $1.39. We have Solana at $82, TRX at 34 cents, Dogecoin sitting at 10 cents, Cardano at 23, and also XLM at 25 cents. There is a really interesting interview with Jamie Dimon from, of course, JPMorgan. You guys need to listen to this because it's wild. But before we do, go join EarnCurve, my spot crypto exchange. Go to earncurveinvest.com, register KYC, and I will apply a 10% discount to your trading. As you can see right here, my harvest bots are working non-stop for me. Total profit for my personal harvest bots, 155.64 USD. Total in about just over 2 months right now, 17.6% return. I am running grid bots with my harvest bots on XRP, Ethereum, Solana, XLM, SUI as well, and I will be starting more in the coming days. As you can see right here, I have taken some profit out. So the platform total profit was 155. Today is the 30th of May. As you can see, look at this. There's just heaps of profits moving into my sub account. So go to earncurveharvestbots.com. Now let's listen to Jamie Dimon.
It goes to a third wallet, a fourth wallet. So the first one may be legitimate, second one may be a sex trafficker. So, this is complicated, and the government needs to do it thoughtfully. If they don't do it thoughtfully, it'll be a huge problem.
So are you happy with the way the Clarity Act is turning out?
No, because it allows them to effectively pay interest on deposits, stable coins or something like that, without the protection that they should have. And it doesn't do anything for AML-BSA. It has almost no legal protections. So no, the banks will not accept it that way.
Right.
And the ABA, the small banks, the credit unions, it's not just the big guys. I'm not worried about stablecoin, but if it happened, I'm telling you, I would have nothing to do with it, and it would eventually blow up on its own. Okay, but that's my personal thing. But I do understand the concern of all the other banks. So,
well, the markup is coming. I mean, what are you going to do about it?
It is. We'll fight it. If we lose, we lose, and we'll live.
Okay.
But it will be fought. This will not be. No one's going to bow down to this guy, okay, or that company. And he's the only one, and he's spending hundreds of millions of dollars in Washington this thing.
He said he's representing the whole
industry.
industry.
Full of shit.
Well, we're going to watch that one.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I mean, this is turning into a big fight between the whole, each industry. And you're talking about blockchain and getting blockchain out.
But we do blockchain.
You've been doing that for a long time.